how to create bots on BotSonic. So once you head over to bot.tritesonic.com, you can see this. So let's put in here the name of your bot. So for example, let's put in here Charlie and then click on next. And then from in here, you can see the training data. So you can add in here some URL that can help train your bot. So for example, for this one, I'll head over and then just put in here the article that supports the Q&A of my website. From in there, head over and then click on this right here, and then this will crawl your website. And once it's been crawled, you can head over and click on this next right here, which is the next button. Now, from in there, it will redirect you to the customize widget. So just head over and wait for this right now. Now you can see this, you can customize it, you can upload a bot image, and you can also choose the accent color that you want. So for example, for me, I'll head over and choose in here an accent color of green, and you can upload in here the bot image that you want to as well. So for example, let's click on this upload image, and then you can just choose the image that you want to use for this case. So for example, let's head over and then just use this and click on open, and then click on the start testing right here. Now, once you have clicked on the start testing, your bot should be able to launch, and you can head over and then just use it to your liking. So that's how you create bots on BotSonic. Hope we helped.